Hey and welcome to the channel. In today's video we are going to take a look at StorageSense and how to configure it. There are a few different ways to configure it, but in today's video we'll take a look at doing this via Intune. I have an in-depth article to go along with this video, the link is in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe. This video covers StorageSense is enabled on the device and managed by a policy. When StorageSense runs it can remove unused temp files. Anything sitting in the recycle bin for over 31 days can be deleted when StorageSense runs. Old, unused files in downloads can be removed after 31 days. You can pick longer, but for this demo I've used 31 days. If you use OneDrive, files that have not been opened for over 31 days can become online only when StorageSense runs. And you can also tell StorageSense to run only when the device is low on disk space. Now let's create a test group for this demo. Now let's create the policy. Now let's name the policy. Click Add Settings and search for StorageSense. I've gone into more detail in my article, but I have used 31 days for the settings in this demo. Now let's add the group we created earlier. I'd just like to take a moment to say thanks to TechSource for sponsoring my YouTube channel and website. If you're impatient like me, you can run a sync on the device like this. Or you can do it from the portal just like this. And now you can see the device has succeeded and reported in. Thanks for watching and see you next time.